Last year, Apple left fans waiting for a third-generation Apple Watch Ultra. Instead of a major refresh, we only got a new black finish for the Ultra 2. But now, thanks to leaked details from iOS 26 Beta 5, combined with ongoing rumors and internal hints, it seems the Apple Watch Ultra 3, along with the Series 11, is nearly ready for launch. The odds of it debuting alongside the new iPhone 17 lineup are sky-high, so let's break down what we could see after 2 years without a true Ultra upgrade. Extreme power and efficiency with the S11 Zip chip. This processor brings real performance improvements and introduces SIP, a macOS-inspired security layer that safeguards system files and directories from unauthorized changes. Unlike the S10, the S11 promises a genuine boost in speed and efficiency, aided by the liquid glass integration, which will make navigation, app loading, and animations noticeably smoother. Next-level health tracking, blood pressure plus stroke risk alerts. Every model is expected to feature highly accurate blood pressure monitoring. Rumors also point to a new function that could detect early signs of cerebrovascular risks and heart disease, taking Apple's health tracking capabilities to the next level. Advanced satellite connectivity and 5G support on top of satellite messaging for emergencies and remote locations. The Ultra 3 could feature full 5G connectivity, a major leap over traditional LTE, for faster speeds and more reliable network performance. Slightly larger display with thinner bezels. Leaks suggest a 422x514px display, representing over a 3% diagonal increase. It's unclear whether this means a larger body or slimmer bezels, but either way, the visual experience will feel more immersive. Longer battery life. A slightly bigger Ultra could house a larger battery. Paired with the more efficient S11 chip, Apple might finally hit the dream mark of 3 days of use on a single charge, a huge step up from the current 2-day life. Ultrafast charging plus OLED LTPO3 display. Expect charging speeds noticeably faster than the previous generation. The new OLED LTPO3 display, possibly with wide-angle tech, could improve outdoor visibility, enable smoother always-on mode, and refresh every second, unlocking exclusive watch faces. Tough build with premium titanium. While the Ultra's signature titanium body and rugged style will remain, Apple may make subtle frame or thickness tweaks for extra durability without losing its iconic look. What about the Apple Watch Series 11? It will share many of these upgrades: S11 chip, 5G, advanced health tracking, but will likely have a subtler design refresh. The rumored radical redesign appears scrapped in favor of a more modest update. As for the blood oxygen monitoring feature, legal battles with Massimo continue. Apple could win the appeal, and with patents expiring in 2028, there's hope this feature returns before the decade ends. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a powerhouse, faster, smarter, more connected, and longer lasting. While the Series 11 will be a more budget-friendly option, it's still getting most of these enhancements. If you can go for the Ultra, it might be worth every penny. Which feature excites you most? The improved battery, advanced health monitoring, or 5G? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It fuels more awesome content. See you soon.